Hi there! Today I want to hop on the trend, the icy queen, frosty glam type of makeup that everyone is doing at the moment. I wanted to put my spin on it. I do like themed makeup in general, so this felt inspiring to me. This is what I came up with. It's this frosty pink glam. I think it's perfect for winter time. It's not really difficult to do either. The eyeliner is made with eyeshadow, which is a little bit easier than using liquid liner in my opinion. And yeah, if you want to see how I did it, it's coming up. I woke up feeling like absolute trash today. I slept for like 10 hours, and when I woke up I just wanted to go back to sleep. I was really not in the mood to do anything, but I'm gonna push myself to film and put on some makeup because usually that makes me happier. I also am feeling a little bit better because I was listening to Disney music and that kind of did the trick to cheer me up a bit. Probably makeup is gonna do even more for me. So, right now I have foundation, concealer, powder and bronzer on my face. I also did my brows. So I'm not gonna do my face makeup on camera. Instead, I'm just gonna do blush on camera because I want to use a specific shade of blush that's gonna be very pink, because I'm looking for that frosty pink overall type of look. I don't really have a blush like that, but I'm gonna mix some eyeshadows and hopefully create something that resembles that. So this is the Nikki Tutorials in collaboration with Beauty Bay palette. This is pretty old, but I'm still using it because it's beautiful and it's eyeshadow. Anyway, I'm gonna use this Blend and Snap shade. And I think I want to make it just a tiny bit lighter, so I'm gonna mix it with a white eyeshadow. This is gonna be from the Norvina palette. This is the Norvina Volume 5. Frosty pink is what I'm looking for. Okay. Yeah, I think that does the trick. Yeah, I think that is what I was looking for, and I personalized it for my skin tone. Like it's very suitable for me. That is a promising first step, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of that leftover on my nose because I want to look like I am cold, which I really am not with this huge sweater. Okay, I'm gonna think how I'm gonna do that frosty pink eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna go for the Norvina palette again. I'm gonna mix this shade with a little bit of this shade to make it a little bit more pink. I'm trying to create a soft pink transition. Let's see how that goes. By the way, I'm using a Morphe 506 brush. Oh, yes. That is what I'm looking for. So it's this, yeah, it's exactly this mauvey pink. So I'm gonna apply this on the outer corner of my eye as well as bringing it up towards my crease. I'm gonna use a bit of that on the lower lash line as well. So this is gonna be my transition. I'm just gonna try to deepen things a little bit on the outer corner with this A5 shade. I think it already has the mauvey sort of thing that I need, so I'm just gonna use it on its own. Just trying to darken things here to create a higher contrast with the inner portion that is gonna be pretty light. I'm taking the previous brush and blending the crease. And the most important part would be the white eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply it with a smudge brush from, I think this is Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. Ooh. This is gonna go on the inner half of my lid, both on my top lid and lower lid. Now let's add some glitters. I'm gonna use the Amethyst Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty because it has this particular shade that I think would be perfect for this look. I used it yesterday when going out, and I got the inspiration to use it for this look as well. Just applying it right in the center of my lid, sort of transitioning from the white to the frosty pink on the other corner. That is one pretty shade. Okay, and now for the inner part of my lid and the inner corner and stuff, I'm gonna use the Battle Plan palette from NYX. This is from their Christmas collection, and it has one of my most favorite shades ever, this one. I've been using this one so much lately since I got the palette. I really love it. So I'm gonna pick it up on a flat brush, and I'm gonna start the application from the inner corner and kind of fade it towards the center of my lid, and also taking it on my bottom lid. It's this whitish silver whatever glitter. It's just magical, it's beautiful. And I'm also gonna take this one on my brow bone. That is stunning. Just going back to the white to lighten things a little bit. Just using a thin layer of white on top. I'm gonna do a mauvey eyeliner using eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this shade in the corner of the Norvina palette. I think it has the tone that I need. And I'm gonna do a thin wing, keeping my eyes open to visualize the final shape. And I got a little bit of fallout, just dusting that off. You can also wet your brush with a little bit of setting spray. I think that would be a little bit more helpful. I'm gonna go for a purple mascara, a mauvey purple mascara. This is the Maybelline Sky High, and it's in the shade Burgundy Haze. Not sure if the difference between this and a black one will be noticeable on camera, but this has a beautiful shade, and I think it fits this look perfectly. I want a little bit of highlighter. Let me see if I can use this shade from the Norvina palette on my face. I hope I won't regret that. I already have like a lot of fallout on my face. I have a lot of glitter. Oh, that works. That is pretty. I have a lot of things that I'm gonna use to attempt to do a lip combo that's suitable for this look. I'm gonna go for a brownish pencil and then a light nude lipstick with a pink gloss on top. Let's see how that goes. The pencil that I'm gonna use is from NYX. It's the lip pencil in the shade Coffee. I hope this won't ruin it for me. I think it's too warm of a tone. Then I'm using the L'Oreal Matte Resistance in the shade Breakfast in Bed. It's this cool tone pink shade. That's close enough. And then I'm gonna finish off with the Maybelline Lifter Plump Gloss in the shade Pink Sting. Be aware with this product, it really stings. It's this sort of plumping gloss that burns on the lips. I do really like this lip combo. I think probably I don't find it like perfect for this look in particular. I do like it on its own, it's very beautiful. I'm just gonna add an extra layer of blush. I do look a little bit washed out on camera. I do have enough blush for real life. For camera, I could use a little bit more. Okay, so this is the look, all complete. I think it's really suitable for winter. I think I will keep using these tones I wore this kind of a makeup look yesterday as well with this soft pink, also the Burgundy mascara, and I will probably do it again since it's winter time and I hate winter. I hate winter. I have to find some joy in it, and doing themed makeup is one of those joys. I don't really like the cold. I don't like the fact that it's dark most of the time, but I guess there's beauty in it as well. I will try to see it. I'm gonna head out. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was useful and inspiring. I wish you have an extraordinary day, and I will see you next time. Bye!